This video shows you how to add an employee using the Quick Employee option. You can use this option to enter all of the employee's information in a single window. To enter the details, click Employee, then Quick Employee. You're now ready to enter the required information, making sure that all fields marked with an asterisk are completed. We'll start with the employee's personal details. You must enter the employee's full name, exactly as it appears on their passport, their address and postcode if they have one, and their date of birth. It's really important that you enter these details accurately, as they're matched to HMRC's records when you submit your FPS. If you've checked your employee's passport, you should also enter the passport number here. If you're setting up a new employee, their RTI payroll ID is created automatically. This is a unique reference assigned to each employee in your online submissions. If you've switched from other payroll software and you're setting up an existing employee, you'll need to click Edit and enter the payroll ID that you previously used. If it wasn't set up in your previous payroll software, or you don't know what it is, you must still click Edit, then from Old Payroll ID, choose Not Set or Unknown. In the next section, enter the employee's start date and choose their payment method and payment frequency. If they're paid by BACS or direct BACS, you should also enter their bank details. You're now ready to enter the information from the employee's P45 or starter checklist. If they gave you a P45, select P45 from the drop-down list, and then choose a starting declaration. This is usually statement B or C, depending on the employee's circumstances. You can then enter the information from the P45. Enter the previous employer's reference and leaving date from the P45. And if the leaving date's in the current tax year, enter the total pay to date, tax to date, and tax code. Take care to enter the correct tax code from the P45 and select or clear the Week 1 Month 1 checkbox as required. If your employee didn't have a P45, they should complete the starter checklist instead, and you choose P46 from the drop-down list. In starting declaration, choose the statement that your employee selected from the starter checklist. The relevant tax code is assigned to the employee based on the statement selected. If you're setting up an existing employee, choose Non-Existing Employee, and then enter their tax code. Next, enter the employee's national insurance and student loan details. Enter the NI number, or if you don't know it, select the Not Known checkbox. Then choose the NI category from the list. If the employee has student loan deductions, choose Yes. Then, if required, select a pension scheme and department reference. You can also enter the employee's job title. In the final section, you can enter the employee's payment details. If they'll be paid a salary, you can enter gross salary details to create a salary pay element. If you want to use other pay elements that you've set up, select the payments and deductions from the tables below. When you've finished, to save your changes, click Save and Clear, or if you're going to enter details for other employees, click Save and Retain. Then to return to the payroll desktop, click Close. You've now set up your employee. To enter additional details, open their employee record, and then click the relevant tabs.